Hello friends, my name is Suhail Ayub Saudagar. Today date is 2 November 2022 and today topic is inheritance in a Java. So I will explain one by one. Inheritance in Java. Inheritance means a class use a reference object of the another class that is a inheritance. Inheritance in a Java mechanism in which object acquires the property and behavior on the parent class is the important part of the OOP, object oriented programming system. Why we use inheritance in Java? Inheritance used for two advantage, for method overloading and for code reusability. Term used in inheritance: class, subclass, superclass, and reusability. Class is a whole main class. Class collection of group object is a template of blueprint with object are created. Subclass means is as well as a child class. Subclass is a class in which inheritance the other class, in also called as a divided class. Inheritance class or child class. Superclass is as well as a parent class. The access denoted to the subclass. Reusability is a mechanism which facility to you reduce the fields of method of existing. When you create a new class, you can use the same fields in a method already defined in the previous class. So that is reusability. Java inheritance example: employee means salary stored to float, different class, and parameter bonus integer stored to a different class. That is an example of a simple inheritance. There are four types of inheritance available in Java. Four types of inheritance available in Java: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. Single inheritance means one super class and one base class. Base class is access to all data, access to the super class. That means a single class. And multi-level class means when there are a chain of inheritance, means one class dependent to second class and second class dependent on third class. That means a multi-level inheritance example. And hierarchical example: when two or more classes inheritance a single class, it known as a hierarchical inheritance. Thank you.